Don't worry.
I'm more share TikTok.
Donali, see, now you go call Enoge. They tell us say he be.
No share TikTok.
Say he be Oscar,
I don't
brother.
put the picture back now.
Now you go call Enoge. If I know if you still here, that person where you they mention in name Ali, ask them say who be Don Ali for TikTok. If I know you know say be nice. Be nice if who better pass who call you for phone.
Now shout na go shout.
If I know who call you for that phone say na be Ali, Don't be nice.
My husband don't fuck you. Bridge do paper for me.
Who on the live video what they did?
Life of a king.
Life of a king.
I don't know whether the life of a king be this one. Now I get this account. I don't know.
Mercy. Give me the account.
Wait. We don't put the picture now. Oh yeah, we boy your talk.
Not the life of a king.
I don't know. I don't put her back now. I'm gonna do it in a one do. I dare and I'm gonna do it in a one do. Hey,
wait, why you see this one's the top?
I don't call her. Wait it up. He said the man say he knows say me like that.
This voice had to try capture that
wait,
voice. You know who got that voice? No. Now that both skip that one.
Now that both skip this one.
Now that both skip that one.
Yes, I know.
Now
we don't put the
now
picture.
Who on this live video? Now
I go put picture. I go saga you. You know get everything want to me. They crazy.
No, man, no promise. So they kill na to mama. They crazy.
Now so the TikTok.
They mad. They can pay you 8 million. No, keep Oscar for them. Keep Oscar for them. Punish your papa. What so? Or punish you now. Who want to? I even say that better people they like video. Who they like video? In the Boski, your mama. You want to stand as a man for Europe? How many people they watch you now? You want to stand as a man for Europe? Date Nigeria, get your document, feed family. You go me to Igbo and don't sakpa. Now me want to go Bejoue. Your brother have been.
I just tell you, oh yeah, come, not rakba.
Help page.
Come on,
page. You be Ashago. Go and do the Shami Europe. You be Ashago.
You be Ashago. No, I don't fuck you.
As far as you can be able to arrest somebody in Nigeria, take me to any police station. Then you will tell them how you get in contact with somebody in Nigeria.
If you need my document name, you don't cast Sonia.
Call them.
Carry and go.
I don't understand. No, page. I want to ask you a question. Let me say, if to say that you be my me, not my junior sister, chop millions of naira, you for don't buy them. Yes, you for don't buy them. You for don't buy them. If not you.
Sorry.
Sometimes for this TikTok, when I go say some of us when they do saga, say we wicked, we do this or no. You get wicked people when they dislike this page with your husband they be really wicked people.
They want show say they get money now.
Oscar small picking.
Because me not get money.
Una the grace. Even if Oscar come out and insult me, I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Page, you see what you do so get the belief say you know get saga with anybody for this TikTok. If you curse anybody, get the belief your husband will go this mission, say arrest Oscar. Making they monitor you. If you tell person bad word, you go come out, come pay the damages. So no be joke. Wait till you know say they don't feel do, you don't do that to person. No. Wait till you know say they do, you don't do that to person.
Who follow you back there? You walk back.
No do that to person. No Oscar can pay damages of 8 million naira. Now Oscar, your husband want to buy land when you never buy.
Now Oscar disvirgin you.
No Oscar, you want to buy land.
Bugawe disvirgin you.
Oscar, when you go give 50,000 naira, Oscar go shut up in a request for 8 million naira for Oscar. Because you know say if you not TikTok, people go say me they can't donate. They donate Q now. Thank God say no give fair declarance, so no donation for Oscar. So that 8 million naira, you know they come out. For that 8 million naira to come out there, we'll do live video, we'll donate. People go come out for this TikTok, they donate for Oscar, take carry better criminal lawyer for Nigeria. You want their page husband there. You go Nigeria, go stand for this case. He said 8 million for the damages when Oscar cost him. See why okay, God bless you. I need husband, God bless you for the question. How much you I pay? God bless you. If he arrest you, why? See why they Europe now. Who you want arrest the diaspora? May God see why they ask go arrest person. They will tell us say we can arrest the Europe. May see why now make call to person who the Nigeria. See why family no go the juju. Why they no arrest the family? Shana Oscar when they arrest so he no go the juju to go represent. Say now evidence when they give am make come talk wetin no. Oscar go there. One of us to go arrest him. MP husband, you be really fool. I was thinking you are a man enough. You are not husband to be called. If now my sister be your wife, my sister go pack on. He go, I swear. If you say that husband has no deliver, which I go use to IC, even my mama go disown him. Problem go dey house. Husband when go yes say their fucking wife without any traditional something no follow him. You can't they use police, they fight everybody up and down. You know carry and come her say my wife. Can't swear this juju. If true say you are no man enough, you are a bastard. Your papa. See, help a husband. Do me one favor. If you go fit, leave Oscar come arrest me. I'll pay the consequences. If you go fit, leave Oscar come arrest me. Leave Oscar come arrest me. Leave Oscar, come and arrest me. I told you this on live video. This is public. 417 is watching. Leave Oscar, come and arrest me. LP husband. You're a fool. You call yourself a man. All your mates went to Europe. Me when see the TikTok, I see the beg God, say God, give me that strength, finish my feel, leave TikTok, man face reality of life. Man face reality of life. You as a man, they tell you say they fuck your wife. Yes, me personally, what I tell you do before I go crazy for TikTok, say, don't do it. That wife I'll carry our car. Now my wife, bros, I know they play reach that part. When I was valid talk with TikTok, I call home. My wife first juju. I go yeah. If you deny say no bear witness, me mom, if your mama dey alive, me die liver. Anything I go your cherish, me die liver. Send a video of it. I go see her. Now I come tell me, say, no can say, He say, you have done what Agbo man can do. This saga, the only place where me I go get you should no reply. I say, no, this video, tell them how it be. Agbo you say, no. Say, as it don't be like this, it don't be. So in your face, juju, no be joke. Me Agbo you, if Agbo you deny, I may need to only cherish for a life, die liver. I go say, you won't be my wife for us, that be my first problem. Yes. I'll follow you. Not because I don't trust you. Prove that trust to me to fit kill that outsider. But if you don't fit prove that trust to me, I have no option than to believe outsider. Even if you are right. Prove that if I tell you say, Mama, this thing, I trust you, but do this thing for me. May I not pay no sin.
I'm sure you all the move on. Since they don't beg you.
That threat where they threats, make those people when they like you, they drop out. Who carry that work again? Give me life. That's what they think I give me. Me, I know they hear anybody. May they arrest me. May they arrest me. Me want arrest.
Police station not the Europe.
Me need arrest. As for don't tire now. I don't do this people. People don't do this charges. I know they arrest me. People they kill them, man.
People don't do this.
I don't tire. Go don't come out. I want even go inside cell. Go relax. Go do this me.
Mass, we want see for court. I want go court. Since I come Europe, I never
go. He go back. Lucky nice go. They come at TikTok, shout, like they also can arrest you. The arrest no they come. Zekum my arraj.
Una go dey meet people for Nigeria. We dey Europe here, may we do one for here. Police not there here.
When Poko said police come and ask for Germany 2 times. Wait I tell you, not come on TikTok show and say Poko said police come and ask. Poko, I need this case in court. Charge this case to court. Court is today. We no see court before I come out for Germany. I no see court. I no see court letter. First one, police send me letter back say, they first call me, send me call station. After my woman say, don't say it. Alpha, if you wait 1 hour, you don't see me. Carry picking match come this fly last police station. Give them Wortoworto.
No, the first time we dey inside the
no. Yes, the first time we dey inside the Eagle Star camp. Yes. Then when we call reach fly last sea, now we don't have no more sorrow with Poko. When Poko they talk today, say no more sorrow, they give and that police when come and ask. As police come, that time I want say don't say na Poko police be this one, nobody else. They don't burn anybody where to bring police come and ask na Poko. Alpha, if they move me, put pikin for back, come meet me for station, no level. As police come, when police talk, now say, who called you? He said the person will call and say, we'll get fight for her. Say, now say, can we see the number? Now they call the person back. And they hear, arrest them, take all of them to police station. Now tell my woman say, for president of police, now say, do you know this voice? My woman said, no, now say, this is Spoko. Now the policeman say, who is Spoko? Now say, it's a nuisance in social media. Now enter TikTok. Instantly, as I type for TikTok, that carry phone show them. Now say, this is the person. And God so kind. Spoko, they like video. They make that call police. They shout. Now police hear everything. Now police say, we are sorry. Now they move. Now take call live video again, call talk and say, Spoko bring police come out. This case, I need it in court. Now they crazy. I don't understand. Who they see, they do quack. And say, you get conversion. A page husband. If you are a real man enough.
That's why I don't like police for Nigeria.
If you are a real man enough, you will do one thing for us.
Nigeria police are so cheap.
You are doing
How can you arrest
Nigeria
somebody?
police is so cheap now.
People where you arrest they here, people where get case they here. Because they give you 50 euro, Nigeria police. Because they give you 50 euro. As I there, so me no say, oh, now go be my escort if I come Nigeria. Now 500 euro, I go your court. All you get in Nigeria money. You not go escort meeting, I come out.
page husband.
You not get law. You don't have law.
Where you go for no say this case?
You don't have law.
Most cafe come out.
Person don't give you money. You don't go station, go arrest person.
That IPO, don't know that IPO. That IPO go redo arrest. Yes, that's what I tell you to do my thing. You go redo arrest. Now what you do Tompolo police? When Tompolo send Beret, give police say my woman dey court. Now send Tompolo Beret, give him. Policeman
confused. Are you policeman?
Policeman confused. He send us what he said now. I've seen evidence of your wife flying beret as a courtist. Now ask the policeman, the beret you are seeing, does it have any logo or does it written a court in that beret? Now, if beret is for courtesan, let me show you evidence of who called you. Practicing confraternity. Now send full video. This will not be picture. Now picture Tompolo send give police. That picture said my woman don't delete it a long time. He don't know where Tompolo for see that picture again. Now send full video. The full video went to Tompolo wear blue stockings, he come fold trouser, blue beret with ribbon, with
singlets,
with complete symbol of what he's saying they do. Come wear singlets, come carry their drink. As I send the full video, give the policeman. I not come reach today, I saw with my life, that policeman not talk again. Now the sister of that policeman called, they reply me for TikTok, say, now they call this policeman. No care. If you fear this police, his sister fair use violent. Secondly, can't use peace potato to me. Say, bro, this person no be Tompolo brother. Now my brother, now my blood brother. The truth is, now contact her for this job. Then he don't say the case no good because me call her. And I say you call her, I say yes. Now I say you call her, I say yes. Now I say if I free your brother, I hear say your brother go down as again. You won't come, you don't go like me. He say, bros, now promise. The bros no be Tompolo brother. I said, you don't tell me say no be Tompolo brother. Now they free that policeman. If not, that policeman, I want guarantee he go use force to go do the arrest. Then that soldiers when they call and sense, they go know the police station when the arrest person go. They wake up, go person has say, matter what they tell you for social media. Cyberbully. Now be waiting Justice Suleiman they charge very dark man go court, say me come pay so amount of money. Courage today now. Now you charge person go court, say me come pay so amount of money. When you read court now, lawyer come they read the constitutional law for you. Say this person bully you, you still reply, you bully him back, you insult him. So if he's paying 30 billion for the damages, you are paying 50 billion for the damages. Courage today, Justice Suleiman no go, he not go church again. Who be this Oscar back up? No be Oscar. Who be this Oscar back up?
People up.
Who be this Oscar back up? And they try pick them, the team know they work. And see how see what they pick them. I may not be like this here. If I pick okay, this one green come up. I pick one or one just I know green come. Who did that?
Okay, good evening.
Good evening, though.
For this Oscar matter, the same thing that happened with that boy that time. You remember?
Yes.
Hear me?
I dey hear you.
So about Regina Daniel matter when Nedwoko come arrest that boy, we come dey talk say na so he no person wey dey all those kind
When they
things.
got am.
Regina Dan, he husband arrest am, he still leave the boy. This man so na hungry man. He just be like
Okay.
poor man wey be say dey look for money. So you no fit tell me say 8 million for small boy, you know say he no dey work na TikTok na he dey money till night.
It's okay
Then I
when they help this.
if he get brother like that, wetin he go do?
Because he hears Oscar sister dey Germany.
Even he say his sister dey Germany, you no fit tell me say 8 million, where that one wan for see?
My sister, you see this Oscar so when Oscar's violent can carry issue give this Oscar, don't order for Oscar arrest. Police don't prepare. I just sleep wake up now say no. This is a small boy. I suppose do something. If this boy na my junior brother, what will I do? I will arrest this boy. I will still go and bail him. No. The family go come the problem. I say no. Now just tell my woman say get case where come for me. Call Oscar. Tell Oscar say na me say me you call am. Give am this case. Oscar send me account. Now Oscar send me account. Say bros, you say ma send account. My account I've already said before case. Oscar just see 50,000 and Oscar shout. He come out and say mama 50K. I beg give me the case. Now give her the case. Now say bring this person come out. If you bring her come out, if I tell you say stop, quit. No talk pass like that. Now Oscar say yes. As Oscar call live video the first day, second day, who give me the case? Cause say Alpha or I don't do. Now I go be like say na me they embarrassed. I don't say this and I say you're not supposed to even carry this case on social media. That's okay. Now call Oscar say bros. I saw ya come on body. Man finish this case. Now call live video. Me traffic and the Pamenka. Now tumble the case upside down. Now put the person for a star house. Oscar respect that part. He enter house. Most problem when they Europe they send Oscar money and they talk this thing instead of you sending Oscar money to take care of himself, they give him problem. Give him problem when you go fit handle. Give him problem when you go come and come say yes, now me do this thing, man finish my job. Make the person find me condo instead of that person. If I know get people they call them, they beg and say, if I know get see what this person do me, if I know get go bring the attack come. People go put opinion, but you going to arrest. If I know get all this insult
Come
they
pay
give
8 million, say na for damages. Wetin he damage? Wetin he damage?
if the Oscar pay 8 million for damage, I say Oko go pay me reach 50 million.
Yes, now, yes, for because that time you remember when you saga your woman that time when you go and
He go pay me 50 million.
your customer may pay 8 million. Small boy will not they work. We want for see. You just now you don't want
My
me
sister
to
fed
the man a poor man. The man not get money. A poor man. Yeah, man, just do that thing. I don't know to take. Now foolish, he just foolish himself.
My sister, make up like say maybe some people feel they look me say no care, it's too like problem or you be foolish man. No, make we
Not
talk
be
the
about problem. Not be about problem. Cause this one
This is
the guy
syphilis.
take day now. How you just go put small
For you to intimidate like this, give her food. Give her food, make her your boy. He go respect you. He talk out of point before. Give her food, chop.
If you arrest her, ask her a question, say you got any proof for this thing where you talk. If you say no, you go leave her maybe 1 day or 2 days, 3 days.
See,
That one
Bobby.
I go there now, you never
Bobby,
eat, nothing,
you
nothing,
get
no
what
my
only father do. Not be even Bobby, only father. Get what only father do when I tell you respect only father. When him bring Godfather come out, when Godfather they call him Godfather. Then you get what Godfather do when only father won't fight Godfather. He don't use police, so he use boys. Say when I go find Godfather, mama. They reach Godfather, they ask, they don't see Godfather. Godfather carry mama move. Godfather come TikTok, he talk him. Now enter only father. So yeah, he don't do this boy. He don't shake him. Or yeah, he don't do. Enter house. Only father enter house. He respect himself as an darling man. He think him. Who in the pursue now? Now poor person because forget say they try best when you never still pay the money for courage today. They say na 5 years guarantee. How many years we don't know Godfather when he pay the money finish? So what I will not say, Oscar represent for the juju. Why not still come go arrest him? If waiting say they don't give my evidence, you know, see Oscar not go that juju. Mona release that boy. I'm not joking. Mona release him.
And today na Friday na if they go even say me the release and everything on Monday, 6 extra 2 days.
No Monday. They see him abi.
Na Monday go because Saturday now they will say they not the whether they not feel pay person. No,
They
no.
know the pay person on Saturday or on Sunday. They know the pay person. They know the work. Police can be active 24 hours, but they know the pay. And they know the pay person for night.
Just
No
go
matter
leave that
what
person suffer for there. You
they
see,
know the
guy,
pay person for night. from 6 to 6, now be the time, 6 to 6. Go and read your Nigerian constitutional law. My good.
Oscar, now maybe mama na go there now they panic say they arrest his son. Maybe that one I not get money when go fit all those men. You think your guy they
You
demand
get one thing when they dey talk, when they baffle me, say they want transfer the case go Abuja. I don't understand.
they catch her for thief. I be they catch her say he want to steal.
Now that one make people come dey panic, say abeg, man, abeg, Oga Abuja
You not
must
say
pay.
go beg. Now you suppose even beg Oscar. Now you even do the come here. Now Oscar now he do damage. I not even see damage where he say Oscar. I don't know which I want to put on.
See, the only thing when tie Oscar, I don't feel loud now, man, bring out the truth. The only thing when tie Oscar for that place, no pass, Oscar resisting arrest and fighting police, tear police uniform. They confirm and say yes. You don't have rights, no matter what, you don't have right to tear
You're not
them.
supposed to wear uniform. Yeah, their uniform.
That is the only crime that is holding Oscar. If this idiot say that they beg and we dey on course is 3 days, don't be joke. This one they come here for Nokia. I don't hear from the IPO. See what you talk. These people matter not too touch, but see what you talk because we dey let the IPO know say how far baba people dey for this matter. If na this case make una arrest Oscar direct, when make una say we no fit grant and pay. Oga, even like say people go put body. Now the IPO say no. They can't talk the truth. He said, if we say we know the law, is it right for somebody to resist arrest? Number one, I say yes. If you don't have arrest warrants, I have right to resist arrest. Take me to court of law. If you print an arrest warrant without showing it, your body camera will talk the truth. If you don't have body camera, I'm in danger, you're in danger. Wait till make very dark man they win there for court. Any police record arrest her, very dark man feel blow it for mouth. If you reach court of law, then they say that very dark man blow it. Very dark man go say, present your body camera.
Yeah.
There is no body camera. When I think that guy they come up for police custody, say because they get connection. No. He know people when no law. He know people when no law. Now law. You are the chief judge, not you want judge case. Then you see person tell you say I've been a chief judge for more than ages. I read constitutional law from beginning to the ancient. This case, this is the constitutional law. So what do you want? How do you want to judge the case? The barrister not get to man to talk. You go close the case. You go hear him, acquit, discharge and acquit. And then they do rubbish. Who they Europe, they arrest, who they Nigeria. What an insult.
Maybe they free him, maybe they free him. I don't want them to close the court.
Even like arrest what I do for my junior sister. I don't pay police. Yes, say they go remove me and the boyfriend. I can't still sit down. Police won't go by 10 in the morning go remove her. Before that 3, around 12, I no sleep. My mind just tell me say make they go arrest, make they go arrest. You get where the mind reach. Now another mind can say, come. You pay 100,000 to go arrest her. You will pay more than this to take bail her. This your junior sister when you arrest and a boyfriend. They don't get anybody when they won't call. If you even hear say person arrest her, now you go still come bail her, not to talk of you arresting that person. Now say, oh, now call the policeman. Now say, bro, say no. Now say, family don't enter this matter back. Just relax first. If anything, I will let you know. Now the policeman say, now you pay, say me they do arrest. Now you still say no, wait. We know the way to. If you want to go arrest her, you don't pay for arrest. Now that's okay. The arrest now will not get warrants. Number one. Number two, my family where I come from, we get lawyer, we get police, we get. If you gonna go there, and the matter will change. You understand? Go just forget the money. And I may send them, forget them. It's okay. If I still want any arrest, I go put fuel again. Like the policeman say, a person like me, they like to work with. I understand. And this one now, the policeman constantly tell me say, this one now, I still come on stress from them.
Yeah.
The money when they for still take buy fuel, take go the journey. You know, come do again, they go still chop the money. The one they go still share, give DPO, do this one. DPO now no go know again now. Say something like this day. No only him now with some of about 5 colleagues when we want to do the arrest. They don't share the money for you to count 50,000 or 100,000 people can say, go and buy clothes. Then they say, now I page husband, buy you these clothes. Then that person will give you work, make him come and come saga me. If you don't fit talk and come and say that we buy you clothes and send you 100,000 take buy clothes, I go talk and come out. You're a poor boy. Anybody where they give you crazy, may give you more than what I give you. Then I go double up. You will see Oscar. Oscar will call you bros. Anybody will call Oscar because of your matter, Oscar will really the secret give you. You are here using poor person to make name. You are a fool. That page, now there your name for come down. If you want make name, bring person like Oko down, person like Nokia Nice, person like Godfather, person like Elogi, or person like Nokia and the family. Bring us down. We will hear you. But say person like Oscar is suffering. He be like when you wake up, you don't go arrest Billion. Say because Billion cost you. I don't understand. No, which kind of intimidation be that one? More talk truth. Which kind of intimidation be that one? Person they suffer, the person they suffer, you dey arrest him. You dey arrest him. Bros, me they suffer. Me, I dey suffer, I know they talk and they hide them. Even if I get money like Dangote, I dey suffer. All of us they suffer. Then why are you doing this? The boy tell you something, tell you. Everybody enter as Oscar even the shots and so this why I say no they do saga again. Even they swear for people when they bring saga come for her. You know go use that to get breed. You go arrest him just to cover your wife's shame. Your wife is a shameless idiot. Your wife is a shameless idiot. When person come out for this TikTok say picking one and born say na born am. People talk would say mo serve juju paper. We call am for juju paper 3 times he run. He run. Now that people take enter am. You can't prove your innocence. Show it to the world. Let the world prove your innocence for you. 3 times now that idiot was as violently come out. Juju people involved. How far? Bro, now you this boy call Abi. Or you call him back. He make him accept the juju people. Say one thing when you need to accept the juju people for, no be the pikin. Shey you say that you born pikin Abi. Accept juju people. If you sleep with this girl, say yes, he open leg, you took your pre-put. You can't release when they fight for pikin. Take the juju paper, it's over a dead body. Say mo go DNA test. Who you are who they do that rubbish. Maybe I go DNA test when you never take juju paper. Take juju paper, prove your innocence. Okay, they fear juju. Now DNA, you won't come carry me go. DNA say yes, now my pikin. That time you go say, I help you knock out to do DNA test. To go bush you test a man. When you go test it, pikin no be on a wrong go to do DNA test. I'm educated. I will fake follow you when tell me that word. I will follow you to eternity. Then when you prove your innocent for me, I'll face you there with me for his house. I'm not a man that, bro, I'm not educated like I said because of what? I did not finish school. I was not obliged to go to school. My father said education is free. He cannot pay school fees. The little I went is from my mom. But when I understand that true, education is a slave in Africa, I have to take the decision and take the word of my father. Go and learn work. Education is a slave in Africa. Thank you very much. I really appreciate the gift. Education is a slave in Africa. I took that instruction from my father and I see the truth. You going to school 8 years in primary, 8 years in secondary. Or Ghana lie, God will punish you. You won't get certificate for Nigeria. You dey Europe, they do fabrical work. You're a bastard. I speak English more than you. I can pronounce a word more than you. I can spell more than you. Send your request, come. Send your request, come. If education is not, you won't write on Ghana lie. Send your request, come. And tell me your educational purpose in life. What education have made you to have? If the education give that good money, send your request, come. They go to educate you now and go to fool yourself. You go to fool yourself. 8 years in primary school, 8 years in secondary school, 8 years in university. How many years? They go tell you say school is 8 years. How many years they go primary school? How many years they go secondary school? How many years they go university? Who you now go to go primary school? Person when start to learn work for time when you enter JSS1. It start to learn work before you reach JS3. 3 years, you don't finish to learn work, you can't be master on your own. Before you they reach university, you go to pay your university school fees. You go pay your student, pay your university decrease. You know the educated. You the terms education now waiting. For where? For Western world and for Africa. Now education are key. Not only Western, people for Western world where they say education are key. Junkie when the street is a bit read, is a bit right. But end up in street. Now they this war. Now don't know anything for life. Illiteracy won't kill. Now the only thing I know, I'm in Nigeria. I speak English. Do you speak English? We don't speak English. We talk English. Okay? We talk English. What is your dialect? What is your dialect? What do you speak? Do you speak English? No, we talk English. Idiot oya, kiuna. Send your request come, not be to the comment. Man mute you, maybe for send. If you are educated, send your request come. Don't be on the comment section and be fooling yourself. I'm not a fool like you. I go you challenge on the public. Send your request come. I mute you so you can be able to send your request if you are man enough or you are a woman enough. I don't know who is behind the account. If you are educated, you be a school teacher. Come teach us come disgrace me. Come and tell me what education means. If education is not a slave in your country. Education is a slave whereby who went to school, have school certificates, will be vice president. Illiterate will become a president in your country. You are a fool. You are a fool. Idiot oya. And they are the fool in herself. You won't make name. You won't make your hair for go viral. Your hair, you know, will go viral. Who buy hair for you? Your mama go die with them. Who buy hair for my page again until you come at this TikTok? Come prove you're innocent. Who buy hair for you again? Me, I dey like to create awareness as I dey live video now. Police go drive enter my compound. I go to show police for live video. We go dey drag. I dey like that kind of awareness. I go tear police uniform, take me to that court. If you arrest me inside that cell, I go dey read the law for you. Then as I dey read the law for you, man, see what you want to do. They crazy because those scam inside said they say I beg. Una come go video and when they then they beg. Oh, they kill na mama. Una no fit post the video. More I post now. Now that video, I go use that video against you now. I go use that video against you. Page. For life, man, see tomorrow. I go use that video against you. Do business and do business. I was once selling hair. Yes, you gave me a business to do. And this is the repercussion of the business. Then you will go to court of law to show them you declare your business. Then what concerns you concern Nigeria that you left? You told them you have a problem. They gave you documents. You tell them. If I want kill meat, I will find big meat to kill. I go find who I know say yes, you go fit pay that damages. Not be who never chop belle full. Not be who never chop belle full. I swear I was in Nigeria day. All of them for years shige. Not be joke. You want the Europe, they say you want to arrest the Nigeria for the years shige from Ando. No be lie. Only God know where I do. No be lie. I stop on another year. Anybody who know me from my own village, I go tell you say police, they never hear say police arrest me. Because you know why? Before the police they come, if you come, you reach my house, you meet my papa. My papa go first to say, give me the arrest. My papa, he no law, he no get money. Now drive by me, but if you come, he go tell you it's okay. You come for my son, he go say yes. Okay, can I see the arrest warrant? You know if they use math, they tell my papa your son is needed in the station for questioning. Questioning of what? You they explain. Now you be the person who call write the statement. Who come make the complaint? You know write statement. When I not print the statement come out to take on to the arrest. When I not write statement come out, I know that my papa there more will teach me law. And he go continue to teach me even as he don't buy. Some people go to make statements say, my papa teach me, he no teach me again because he don't die in a lie. My papa, if you meet her, 2 times when police come meet my papa, then my papa they say, go back to the station, go and bring arrest warrant. And if before you bring the arrest warrant, I'll be in the station with my son. So you will tell us who come to do the complaint. The day when my papa tie me, put for his side boot, reach police station. He bring me come out, police they see say yes. I carry, he get rope, that rope where they take the tie, if you go find where they take the tie firewood for bicycle. We dey call and talk truth. If you won't catch criminal, use that tie in hand. You get where the rope go tie and reach here. You go to say the thing don't do okay. Say yes because the hand no work again. Release the rope small, lose that small. Poor can tie him again. If he no get through to tell you, go tell you. My part time me that Rakumi type, leg and hand. Now policeman come to tell my past say you could be under arrest for this thing where you do so. You dey claim say you know law. Now we come for this boy arrest. You read law for us. Now you tell us say, may we go bring arrest warrant. We don't reach police station. The person no get arrest warrant. Now we now supposed to tell you say the arrest warrant not there because our DPO tell us say know you. You know what you can do. More forget this matter. I said that man no get money, but if you make call, I no go like him. Make una now police come they met my papa. The police use their hand to release me. Oh, mommy, yo.
Bros, good afternoon.
Mama G, good afternoon, ma.
Bros, I'm my friend. That's Sonia.
The day side.
Bros, though I all see you the people they share out to me. Say, come see your people, come see your people. Now I say, my father saga my friend. Bros, I beg now. La wo go ram la o.
Mama, your friend for call. We supposed treat Oscar like person where we go feed down, no be to arrest her. Mama, you know me now, no be to intimidate her. Oscar na poor pikin, na to feed down, no be to intimidate.
I don't know why I don't know this Oscar when they talk about to. By the end, I don't know.
Put a picture. That Boko na still train Oscar. Oscar come out as a hungry person. When all of us know, Oscar don't do me self. Even that time when the was violent, he say I bought my pikin. No, Oscar carry the case. But for me to hunt Oscar, I give Oscar money. Oscar
Who
no
come out to say your pikin? Who come out to say your pikin?
Mama, you know the TikTok or SAS violent thing. One useless idiots. I bring juju paper. The boy no gree collect juju paper. He come up for TikTok.
Person see do me. No say it's there. Person see tell me to say na you born my face.
I see and when they party fight that matter. Now because of that one matter, I mean me and that person no get issue, but now because of that matter, for you to talk say person na you born.
No. Person will never have.
You don't get evidence of it. Nothing like no, mama. Now because of that matter.
Person talk that thing just now. The thing pay you. You ever serve on YouTube paper. So now so you see people use that pay. Say person go come and say get a naked picture.
Yes.
He must verse person. We
Mama,
know.
they serve this boy juju paper. They serve Buga, serve CY. They go the juju. They swear the juju. The John one say no. The John one can settle the matter. Say who no agree. Make you go do it sweeter. We did the matter. Last they go arrest Oscar. It no make sense. Oscar is too small, Mama. Because of you, a part of it.
No, I know. How you feel. We be see the manage or even itself na problem. I understand. Bros, I beg, bros. They go free ya. You also like the only person when they look for trouble before now because of this matter. I beg as a juju man said that
you be past this nonsense. You fuck up, you be passer. You are a business person. You supposed to show the world your good part, not making people to look you as a bad. I'm always say this to my wife. If you do business, always show good parts. Don't let people take you as a bad.
Arrest Oscar. We see no say what that Oscar do is not good. That period says any jam Bobby. Maybe na police go focus and told me na so it be. Maybe that in like they cause quarrel for their two for Isa, but we are not go know. So now to find an arrest and to really know if he gets her, maybe his wife, his husband, want really know the kind of woman who he put for her. So really know if Oscar really get that thing. I mean, I make the final arrest to see if he really.
Mama, you see, like what I always say, I'm a married man. If person come tell me, say, I fuck your wife. If I tell her, say, na lie, juju fit kill me, my people say, no deny for person when done big.
Yeah.
Me now, if you tell me that word, like when those as violent thing first say, he sleep with my wife before I born pikin. Now I carry my woman, go juju. I do video of that juju, carry and give person when they say, make it represent for for the case. My woman face juju say, he no go lie, he talk truth for juju say, he go the boy house with her friend. They go collect money because the boy tell her say, make him make her, he go pay. Now the money they go collect. Say that boy say him pints. He swear to juju. Now say, for you to finish this part, I go follow this case reach ground. That boy now get to remain to collect juju. Even if my friend in Pamega, 3 people don't call that boy. That boy tell them the truth say, na TikTok saga. Say wetin me don't do and pay now. Now make can they do me to frustrate me and Sonia. Say why Sonia go chop in money? You know see Sonia pint, that's okay. I forget the matter. A carry and give Oscar. Oscar do. I dash Oscar 50,000. Oscar still a man. 2 days Oscar come out again. Now bring Oscar full family. His sister when they Germany. In mama and papa, everybody. Now me post their full picture. Now Oscar zip him out. Then if I can't go, they arrest Oscar. Oscar never chop it. Wherever I carry drink now before police arrest, and only God know. Mama think
God, no, our police and Nigeria police now they not they feed person like Europe, so they fit give you good accommodation. Even if you not get freedom, Europe now freedom not there, but you see that good accommodation, you go receive her for there.
Exactly. Make Oscar your friend. Call your junior ones. They will go capture Oscar. Tell Oscar say you bring something for her. Your junior ones will go meet them. They will capture her. They will put her for table, flog and video and send you. When Oscar go see that flog game, you will still dash and 20,000 join after you flog her. I swear, if Oscar stand up for everything house, now a pipe Oscar will call you.
The Oscar picture, man, know this Oscar. Everybody only talking. That's what be not be this TikTok media.
Man, find picture.
I believe I say not be this media so tense. So can't see when go there, would they happen? Not would they know.
Wait, Mama, no, this one is junior brother. May give me Oscar.
Mama, good afternoon. Costa.
My love, good afternoon, my darling. Sonia, let me beg it, let me beg it, pa, beg, let me beg it, pa, Sonia, beg.
Where that man comment say?
No, the man comment me also, Mama.
If
Say
you want to
he won't do
the
me.
man
Come face the case. Now, so you leave Oscar go arrest him.
That's why we say no, we beat us small.
Okay, he asked me come here, come talk.
Come here. He come ask me say, waiting me one for the case. Now say explain, give me why.
Papa say he dress. Oscar the manage. Wait, man.
Send and give me. If you see this Oscar, they use rope the tie waist, Mama. They use rope the tie waist. I'm not joking. Not being insult. Now picking where we say we need to help am build the life.
That thing Oscar talk na saga. Person when me never I will see not be say na he born pikin when me born. I never I will see am say we see face to face.
They don't tell me.
No be that matter we hate that guy. Now that boy the send request come and tell it.
I never will see him for life. Say we see jam na my friend before. Me never will jam for life. I never see him once for my entire life. Even till now, I never jam once. Apart for see body for TikTok. Oh, if you see talk that kind of thing, talk about say I get your woman. Cause
see the small Oscar when they go arrest Oscar. Ew. Oscar. Now person even buy this cloth give Oscar. Oscar not that dress like this before.
Bro, so this Oscar, so they do live video for TikTok. They do live video.
They do live video where for TikTok. Even since almost let me say a month now, he get matter when see hit him. He come they beg everybody when he don't saga say I beg. He no want to do saga again. People when they send them things moon and stop. Because people don't they attack them, they don't want to do it again. Become a they say saga like just normal thing. You tell me, I tell you, everybody enter. Oscar beg of recent more than 3 times for live video. A lot of people witness him.
I know this Oscar. Oh my God.
They do live video. Where? Because no, the thing he pay me.
If I don't get no Oscar, where?
He know Oscar.
They go no, apart from this guy within Nigeria, Godfather. I don't even know this. I never seen him once. I never see Oscar. I never come across his live. I never come across his live screen once.
The time when he be still want throw Matt give a Pinoge one reply. Now I'm still coming to Pinoge say this boy na small pikin. It be like pikin when you born. You replying this boy. It's like you replying. It's like you replying who I want mention like be nice saga all those type people.
For all those things, now you're for view and for quest. So see food, see something people for Bele. We know so we they tell each other for saga. It's expensive, but we na saga. Us also know say that.
You tell me, I tell you, everybody enter house.
Yes.
They arrest person for this kind of thing. I say the thing are truth. Una one silent because this mama, this matter they call for juju. Oscar still go the juju say see evidence there of what they give and see what they tell them. So in bring the matter on social media. The juju they call almost one fight. The part for the juju say no. They don't need to swear. Say what thing they see for here. The big pastor because even before the matter reach juju, Air Page wife, which is Air Page, they deny say this big guy. They don't know him at all. So, see why come the talk say, he knew him, record this day. True, record come out when I page with Bugatti talk. Even when they do video.
The matter is April now. You don't say now, since April.
Hello, Nokia.
Yeah?
How far, brother?
I greet you.
I greet you. Mama Nora, I hear what you talk yesterday. You say one thing say the talk when they talk for social media and you have to get coins, me they eat all those things.
For her,
So
for
as
him, for Oscar, I mean for Oscar. I say if they talk all those things
You
for
understand him in talk.
So I
Talk.
never,
He say for Oscar.
I never come across her. If Oscar they talk all those things for Facebook, for TikTok, you suppose no say they do one for view and for quest now. Based on they say they manage. So say when it
now
comes to
I never round up. I never round up. What was
Hey,
wrong with your
bros,
husband?
no ask me any question because you always they clear our life they come.
What was wrong with your they do it? They start Mama Sharon. What was
Don't ask me any question because you be fool. You always they
Your
claim they
question,
cause
I
everybody.
don't say I say you want divert and go another place. Mama
That's
Sharon,
why
even
they
guess.
be a very useless boy. I don't know. A
Mama
very
Sharon get
useless
sense
boy.
to
You
their
all
last
people
person
can
they
do
do
they
saga
cause
the
everybody.
between. Which fight they no get fight for Sharon matter when they no get fought. Make Sharon wait be name.
So that's why they create so very useless boy. You go your class friend. This thing they cause anybody.
Make who they do saga, they post a pikin, then they get viewers. If anybody want fear with the pikin, they'll go fear with innocent Sharon when no passed on. Innocent pikin, they'll go carry because of miscoding. You can't hear the talk rubbish, bro. I don't know say that waiting carry you come up. No
A
come
very
man.
useless boy. Now his job is that his job. Later now go say make person go work. You go you open fake account. You they create for social media. They clever up platform. They go. You want contribute, man. Later now first time say go and work. You see your life now. Everybody
All
don't
of
know you.
na
I
dey
don't.
request. I don't cancel na request. All of na dey comment section. More na dey comment section. Na the grace. All of na dey
Bro,
Instagram.
make they request, bro. Leave
All of
them.
them they don't wear. Make them dey comment section. Then dey grace. Make them dey there. Take her to panel. Small. Where's my love?
I'll talk to.
With your senior sister, no dey disturb me. The senior sister don't come carry am. You're there, they disturb me. Mama,
Hey, yeah.
we go
Bro,
see what you
and
go
then-
do for abeg, Mama. Make them release that boy. That 8 million.
Yes, they'll release that. Don't true. They'll release that. Good afternoon, my darling. Share charge of good
I think
afternoon.
contribute.
Child of grace, how much? You are free.
I don't know. Good afternoon. I beg, bros, this matter, Oscar cannot do anything. You understand?
Okay.
Oscar na client. See why Badona also client. The way
Okay.
Lucky we got the client. Oh, we got riot. Oh, we don't free
Okay.
Oscar now. Wow. We dey come out.
Mama,
Oh,
share the Siam.
free Oscar. Start free
Mama,
Oscar.
where they free am?
Start
We
free
don't
Oscar.
free.
We are coming for you
Mama,
guys.
help us talk to Ifa.
Na Oscar na client. Na client.
Mama,
See
I
why
don't say I believe
see
you.
why Bado and
I believe
Buga.
you, Mama.
Na see why Bado and Buga. Na see why and Buga na page go arrest.
May you go arrest them. May they free Oscar.
See why and Buga na get issue with page, not Oscar, because Oscar not be Benin. Free Oscar.
If you don't say they come up, I beg. If you don't say they come
Anybody dey write
up,
am for comment
abeg,
section.
for my
I stand
sake,
free
no try
Oscar.
and
I
question
stand free
Mama.
Oscar. We no go
Abeg,
gree.
I dey beg una. No try and question Mama. What we need now na
I
for
agree.
Oscar.
Oracle
my
hospital say Oscar is hot. Oh, bro, see the last comment. You say Oscar is hot.
Free
Oh, if
Oscar.
Oscar is
Oscar
out,
na
we need to
see
see
why
the
Bado na
proof.
client to Oscar.
We need to see the proof.
The
We
client.
want to see Oscar come out.
I stand
That's
free
right.
Oscar.
Mama,
Nonsense.
Laura, if Oscar
I think
come out
it's
now,
good.
me, I feel all my live video. Call a page husband, I go beg am, say, now you don't release Oscar. I beg daddy, temper justice is mercy.
Say he post. He yours
Well,
now.
say
Say
me
he
Oscar
post.
still
I
dey
think
inside
they
there.
give am for.
Yes, then they give Oscar photo call. Once you get right over your phone once in a day in case you want call person. Now, what you see happen yesterday, Oscar can go post for status. So, if you say that,
Mommy twins.
Yes.
Okay, mommy twins. You see, as your husband with Goldie, the guy issue.
Yeah.
Lucky Nice now na client to Goldie. Okay, they're
Yeah.
going to arrest Lucky Nice because Lucky Nice
No.
okay, Mama, na every wetin dey fight for. Mama, na every wetin dey fight for. If I no get no fit arrest Lucky Nice because he look
That's
like
the client. See why na Oscar client. The way that they do client to people. No be Oscar start am. We na Oscar fan. Oscar is my fan. And they support Oscar. Make they bring Oscar for me. Oh, what did they sup?
Let the breaker come out. Mama, let the breaker come out.
They don't get that. They don't get stronger. So
Just
just
again. Who you want arrest? Now Oscar is
man not get that.
This saga one of us just dey manage. Sometimes depression won't
We are
kill
coming
you.
back for you guys.
Mama, na so dey cry.
Okay, I want to thank you very much for this particular issue of this Oscar. I thank you
Mama,
for
we don't need to talk each other. We need justice. Now,
you know, because since yesterday everybody they say bring her, make them knock together, bring her, make them knock together. Nobody they even they talk for this boy. normally this thing na social media all of us dey. I wan really thank you, I wan really appreciate you, Mama Nora. I
Ah,
greet you specially.
thank you, my
Abeg,
sister. Good evening.
abeg, help me, may we tell your husband. I know say your husband get influence of these people.
They try. If
Make
I know
you
they
talk to
try.
this
A good no go
this
kill am.
help page husband. Make dem know the way they
The
go take release this boy.
man
This
not be
one
like
na
that. So
just,
FA just man, not a person we get strong mind. I'll call on just
yeah,
now.
this
He's
one
not
na
man.
just small teenager wey just dey
Yes.
try to couple
Small teenage.
himself up.
God bless you, my
Abeg,
sister. And I
yeah,
understand my
why you
fight.
wan take
I
see
just teenager. I
700,000
said that we no get junior ones. When the
to
junior
bail
one not
himself?
friend, now they take this
Eh?
action.
How you wan
We
take
get
get
junior ones go
700,000?
know.
And the
What's
other
kind of
thing,
our
if you
junior
want
one? I beg.
It's
to bail
700,000 for
himself.
belly.
Yes, and
200,000.
other
Oh,
damages. Abeg,
no,
help me tell your husband. Abeg,
we
Oscar
get
can be
there, we
anybody's
there.
brother. It can be anybody's son. Mama Nora, if to say you begin dey born children, pikin early, you fit even born Oscar mate sef. You understand?
Okay.
Pen no get pikin wey dey Nigeria fit be the Oscar mate. I swear
Okay.
to God, Oscar can be anybody child. Abeg, make we not say make we bring am, make we kill am, make we bring am, make we kill am.
No.
Pikin
Yeah.
No.
everybody own.
If your enemy
Abeg,
ever
Mama
die,
Nora, I know
finish
say
in
you
one
na
day.
good woman.
Okay. Mama
You
Laura,
get
God
heart
bless you for this word.
Finish
If your
in
enemy
one
now say
day.
anything happen to them
You
for
only
them, you
imagine
know
yes,
I
they
wetin
say
you go do?
you the tell us I
no
don't
they
know. You
agree.
can't post the enemy now arrest him. You see, I say, oh,
Eh,
this guy, you don't
Ah.
know.
abeg,
Abeg,
make you help us
Mama
beg,
abeg,
make
fear
you
me
help us
talk
beg
to
your
if I make
husband.
part to the
Abeg.
better free am. If they want make me stop this word, may we see Oscar come out today or tomorrow.
Everybody they drop
Today
comment
is a
say
Friday.
is that 5 minutes ago? Is that 5 minutes
Is
ago?
out
No
No,
be
when I
they
want
Friday
see
show
Oscar, say
now.
Oscar is Mama. This one I don't want hear. I want see Oscar, say Oscar is out. You know what is called out? Police station for Nigeria. Mama, I don't go Oko police station for Benin, opposite Oko prison because of Igbo. Wait till I see for there under 24 hours. Mama, prison is not for human being. Cell is not for human being. I'm not joking. I don't
Nokia.
work out for Nigeria. Oko
I greet
prison.
you
They don't
also.
carry me reach
Nokia.
inside.
Nokia.
Respect, bro.
I greet you.
Greet
I
you,
beg.
Baba.
I beg. See,
Oh, una remember say if I no
those
get
people
talk this
say
thing
they arrest
yesterday
us.
say
Wait.
I beg your list is more. I beg.
okay.
Okay.
I respect you a lot. I know say me and you will never do anything saga for this TikTok. You never saga me, and me never saga you. Even your
Shafi
wife.
no.
So I beg, just give me my own respect. You don't say that man when me say he arrest Oscar, so he just be like saying I'm my brother. So I don't talk to
Okay.
her. I don't talk to
Okay.
her. He say he no even need 1 naira from Oscar. He no even tell Oscar say me give am 1 naira. So that one me say they talk up at that. So now
Okay.
false information.
yeah.
And this he promised me say now till evening they go release her. And I
He
mean
promised you.
I don't see call Oscar. They don't. It be like say he don't come outside and I say they go out. I beg.
Oscar.
I call her now and I beg.
Tinubu Momuna, God will bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Brother abeg no
Just
vex before
change
you
your
go.
topic.
You know say na the same thing wey una dey do so na dey do yesterday. Enoge come outside yesterday say dey give Oscar phone to take call him family for 5 minutes.
Oscar
go post for
No,
status.
that one Oscar I do.
I
No,
never see
no,
Oscar
no,
for video so
no, no,
you
no.
no
Me
fit
they
believe.
even since yesterday, me they call Oscar. Oscar they answer me for call direct.
Okay.
I get Oscar number. I call her yesterday. I don't
Okay.
see call her now and I say they go out. I beg. If you change
Oh, you
topic.
fit call her for me now,
Call am use your
bro.
second phone call am.
If you fit do it for me, that boy need to go out of that place, bro.
He
If not
don't do,
you,
he don't do. Wait, if you pick, oh, wait, me I just see call her.
okay, call him, bro. Let that boy
But
come
I
out.
don't know. I don't know whether they watch you. If you know pick, oh, but I want call her.
If Oscar dey watch me, if he pick, he know say yes. Wait till the fight no be against
I
Sam.
beg, I
Na
beg,
for
I
am to
beg.
free for there.
Sonia,
Beg.
now God
No,
will bless
no,
you
the
and your
man,
husband.
the man
So
when
they
me
fight
say
for
we can
justice
get
like
there,
this.
I
Very
beg.
good.
Your
My
stuff,
sister,
no,
we die for
man
justice
don't promise
because
me.
if I die today, so I don't know who will take care of my children. That is just the
Exactly.
truth. I don't know who will take care of my
The
children.
man don't assure me say he go release her, but he no request 1 naira from her. That one na false information. When I
Okay,
say the man
because that
say
information
make
as
them
yesterday
see
we
her,
dey
First
hear
day
am.
will be Friday, and if you enter tomorrow, they no go fit bail am again
They
because
no
we
go
don
come
enter.
out again till on
It go be
Monday.
till Monday.
So make they release am. If they wan charge the case to court, now Oscar don already reach station. Dem know Oscar. Make they lawyer no go
They
there.
no
Make
charge
they
the
charge
case
the
to
case to
court.
court.
Make they just
Nokia,
Abeg.
that.
Nokia. No, okay, what did the man tell me? He said, "Na Oscar family they delay am yesterday. They for release am yesterday.
Okay, no Oscar family.
With
But
the
the
lawyer.
same family we did on call yesterday, bro. I don't feel like you. We did on call yesterday. IPO. We did hear am for call yesterday. When IPO, they thought say 14 days. So Oscar got to pay damages. Say the people who arrest am ask for damages. So I know they talk with me no here.
He no connect again. But and as I dey follow the talk, so Oscar don't post. Nah. This picture when you work for yes, so he don't post. Nah.
On TikTok.
Yeah, for TikTok. After I call her, no, madam. Me, I know if they give you false information. You don't ever say I claim your plan for the.
No, pick your
As
respect.
you wait, see, Nokia, I know say you go the best for me, but I want to tell you one thing. I
No. I don't best for you.
You go to one talk. You go to one talk. For corner, man, affect everybody when they are good evening. Malona, good evening, man.
Good evening, bros.
This guy when they come to the you can talk anyhow. Now so you tell us say we'll give you 20 minutes. Sales guy go come out, you go talk, you go talk.
No be me tell me they give na 20 minutes.
Talk, I don't know you.
Now me be nice.
Okay, you calm down.
You don't go school.
You don't know the station where Oscar dey. You don't go to the station.
Be nice.
You don't there they talk anyhow. All of you talk anyhow.
I beg go.
Now me be nice.
Wait.
Because you just carry 8 million down. The man say no request 100 from Oscar.
No be between the
carry 8 million for information up and down.
Maybe Nigeria police get money or maybe the Nigeria police they demand
for power. They pay you because
you say na the IPO match me for here.
See wait till
IPO match me for here.
Now me be nice when you say talk.
Wait, you know they quarry, you don't give up.
Wait, more respect people when you understand what
we don't look for peace. We don't look for peace. Even I make call people that go help me beg and look. Me I don't look it. All of 4 day prior to before look go jamming. I don't know looking for TikTok. I don't know normal physical for prior to frontally to scanner. You know me well, but I never call a platform one day. But they see I'm not. Now me I don't go the place. Today make a time when I don't go the prison. The station where it is zone 5. Now me come with when you call the IPO, we come
bros,
go.
thank you, my contract, bros. Nokia, thank you so much.
Mama, no wahala. Mama,
I greet you, my love.
Nokia, thank you very much. I dey work. I no dey for this explanation when this man dey so. No be me be nice. No be me be nice. If you don't know how to pronounce name, no be me be nice. When he tell you say 20 minutes, Oscar will come outside. You hear?
Okay, I'm not going to give up fake information for you again. Sorry. Okay, sorry, sir. Sorry, no verse. Nokia, we don't talk to the man. The man say, even Oscar lawyer don't dey there. The man lawyer don't dey there. They say till on Monday. Now what did they tell us? Because before they give up 14 days. But now they don't release that to on Monday. Okay, all this Oscar don't come up for there. No, they mad them. They hear me.
When the just pass if not today on Monday, the only respect when I won't give again, no pacify. If I know go live, call live video, I'll go meet if I know and see what he will talk. If we yes, those cannot come out, then move.
Who the man don't talk? Who the man don't talk? The IPO, if they talk, say the matter they will pay damage 8 million. He talked to us. Okay. But now, you know they talk about
the when the man talk yesterday. May not be like say and they talk out of point again. And
all this one now, when you call they talk rubbish. All of them, no one don't go see Oscar for session. No only me and my team, me and Windy, now only us don't go there. They're not there, they talk.
I want to join that team. If I'm only watch of Oscar matter, what I want me at the game.
They're not there, they talk. Ask them, I mean, they don't go to the station. Even they went for the university. Oscar say call the catcher. Even they ask for money for food. I mean, they don't say that 20 naira. May take chop food. Nobody. All of them don't call you for
food. Oscar.
Because the boss is the only boss is where he dey hungry.
No be said they say na only bosses.
You know see the be before. All of them don't dey here they talk say hey, don't come out 20 minutes, 10 minutes. What they don't know? Not that what I went back. Not that what I went back. What I went back before. Not listen to me. What I went back before. Now I want to see beg you again. I beg. This ever page. I be with your husband. I beg. Never put that picture again. I beg. Oh, don't make the piece finish. I beg you. Yeah, I beg. I don't beg you before. I go see beg you again. I beg. Bro, see my one thing. See, any person will go fit call. You go answer your call. Now if your person, I swear to God Almighty, you know if you call me, I'm not gonna answer your call. If I say they beg you something, you see understand me. Yeah, both MAP finish before the other thing go full off. I beg make those can come
I
out.
rest for
Because
now. But make
the
them
more they
release
put
that
those
boy.
can picture, the more they put that people picture, now the more they go the verse. I beg,
Make
yeah.
them
Make
release
those
this.
can
No,
come
I
out.
put
I
the
beg.
picture because of my sister. I say
If they hungry now, Nika, now you wear. Everybody
I
knows
know
say
the Sagaram.
police
You when the I know the Sagaram.
to
What are
the
they
no
talk?
reply
What
to
are
the
they talk? We say.
no reply
What
to
are
the
they talk? We say.
boy.
But we
Out
fair
of
leave.
myself, they make me the
Okay,
first
listen to
now.
me now. Not us at the
All of them
second
supposed
scar.
face me and face. Leave Tunumbu. All of them supposed face you and face. Tunumbu, now me drop you. Yes. Face you and face. Make that boy
Me
come up
now
for
when they
inside.
talk, you want be true, but ask whether I don't go sales car for station there.
Make that
See
boy
3
come
days
out.
now.
Tunumbu is like your junior brother. How will you feel? How will you feel?
I beg, no, can we tell I beg you, I beg for those people, family, I beg, don't put their picture. May we first settle one, I beg you, yeah, because the more that they put their picture,
No.
the more that
I
they
don't
first,
feel like
yeah,
I
I
don't feel
beg.
beg them. For
They
me
said
to
on
beg
Monday,
them,
now on Monday they go leave and they go leave on Monday. In law, I don't
no,
day
that boy
there.
don't sleep,
I
go reach
beg.
down Monday. We still have time. This is 4
No,
o'clock.
today
Let
on
them
Friday, now today on Friday, now
let
that's
this
not
place to
today
talk.
don't finish, today don't finish.
Yeah, I never
Don't
finished now. Wait till I talk self. Now this one the best me in constitutional law. What is this accused? He keep person. Take this case to court after 24 hours. What are we saying, sir? Wait till we talk. Like say we don't know law.
No, you know, they
We don't
read,
practice law.
no, see now, wait, man, I talk to you now. You they read the law, unto say you dey Western world.
They
See
make
now,
we read the law, follow them.
no, calm down now, calm down now. You know, say for Bongo, do
More
calm
than
down now.
get say that IPO. Even
Do
person
calm
call
down
the
now, man. I
IPO
thought you,
yesterday. No
not
give
can
me
you
the
calm
IPO
down
number. I
now.
know it's
You,
about the IPO.
not cannot
You
be
know it's
tell
about
if
the
not
IPO.
not cannot be if not can you forget say for Nigeria stations the right say bail are free. That they do bail are free. No, no, in that country now. You know say na pharmacist now they tell they shine. He don't do.
101
Mo
for that same station where they say bail are free for Agbo. 2 times when police don't
everywhere.
arrest me. Even my oga when come bail me. Still
One
give
of
me
the other. Not can you know how they be now. Because we don't enter Europe, everybody they claim. I
Then
beg
okay, I greet you.
on Monday. On Monday
you.
don't reach. It's okay.
Alpha 101. See, you self, you don't see try, but inside there, so why you call they talk that kind many matter for you? Say, yeah, bossa, if they hungry, which kind
You
many
yourself
this
no
one
say
talk, which side
who
they
they
here
cook on
talk that?
station.
Why you they bring Oscar down here? Be you want help Oscar? Which
Bro,
one you
No,
they?
no,
bro,
no, no,
You
no,
will call
bro,
no.
let
no,
us
we
know
What
can't
are
say
you
just
yeah,
telling
be
me?
bossa,
that.
say they
Bro,
hungry, say never
no
chop
be,
since.
No, what are you
Guy,
telling
you
me?
don't sabi talk,
No,
you
ma
no
sorry,
way.
bros.
Don't be
Ma
lie.
sorry, bros. Ma sorry, bros. Wait me talk am. We
101
say
no
I
101
use
so
the bed.
first. I don't feel the answer. I don't feel the answer this kind talk. No one knows. I thought I don't feel the answer this kind talk. You when be say you call yourself rugged man, you don't work out for Nigeria, you don't see something. You never say you never sleep police station. Now you making a call here, they tell say that they so scared, hungry, wear bosses. If you never enter police station for Nigeria, no send your request come up again, come talk. You need to be police station for Nigeria. Go day, don't go wear clothes. Bro,
You know what they call structure. You know president. You know what they call president for station. I don't know now.
They go still turn
Now
am
when they
outside.
talking there now. If you don't even wear boxer, they go fold your trouser. They go fold your trouser. They go fold your trouser up down.
hello,
If
You
you
go
hello,
dey
get
talk
like
hello,
that.
bro,
come,
Nokia,
they go
Which is
turn
good.
your
Nokia,
answer, they go fold am.
Nokia.
Bro,
Alpha, drop a 101, drop him,
why is about drop 101?
drop him, I beg, drop him.
Why is about drop am?
Do drop her,
Big name,
drop.
tell me why is about drop am?
How should I do the drop a kid
You
on?
see am? Me now they ask you, they drop you. To show you say
Yeah,
101
bro.
level pass you for year, bro. 101 get level pass you for year. No, no me. I dey neutral for year. If you dey shout say drop this person, if na who they go drop, they go fling am. I get like 8 moderator. Out of that 8 moderator, no one be 101 enemy. If you dey talk truth, then no
But
way.
when the can make a call, I want come down. You go come me for couple talk. All
101
those one when we
everywhere.
say drop 101. I don't like people. Now me go tell me about door. If you see me for you, go tell me about door. Man, you keep bust your face. Me, you know I say cause you no clear. Drop one. Make them drop your mama.
You say drop 101. You dey shout drop 101. They don't flick you. Babe, what are you doing? What are you doing? You are eating. Na me cook food. I never test am. Na you dey test am. Abi? This woman no go chop traditional food one day. Na agboma you dey with o. You get food when agboma go cook. You no fit test am before am o. They get that law. See, fellow Nigerians, 101, you really try na how you be. Because even before you dey talk for years, about 1 year for call say after 101 put body for this matter also say even though na money wan chop, but inside there, the IPO talk wetin e talk yesterday. Today we still dey hear am say na 8 million Now they won't pay for the damages. If na money to pay Oscar, when they talk 200,000, Oscar for not come out. If no be joke, as men on they talk now say yes, may I pay transfer say okay. May the IPO give us up that say release Oscar. Grant would not grant Oscar pay. Now 200,000 to pay Oscar. I swear. No be 24 hours.
Not verse. You know, say I know sabi do all this social media stuff where we say I go dey lie you. When we go there, tell people can't do share and join the people who arrest them. You understand? Now today make I tell that when I don't go there. You understand me now? Now the IPO, now tell me say the man say they go pay damage, say na 8 million naira they go pay. Say they give up 14 days. Saturday 14 days, say that they wait for letter for court. Say before they will carry the matter to court. You understand?
Paper for court. Oh Jesus.
Now what they tell us, how they tell you so.
Then one. You know what to make the IPO still get mad, they talk like that. All of now they call like I never read law for them. Then in now on the form say yes, people when they call they beg for this release of this boy. If like 5 people call this IPO say, guy, we need this case in the court of law.
You know why the IPO? You know why the IPO?
One. IPO no big pass chief judge. You know big pass commissioner of police. IPO is just the person in charge of the case. It may be a what is it called? It may be a new policeman when they just employed today. IPO is person in charge of case, not the chief judge or the commissioner of police. No. IPO is just the person in charge of the case that submit the case to
wait. If I turn and say they say 1-on-1 or whatever, say they do say I be 1-on-1 or whatever. Those can never post my mother, those can never second me, those can never cost me. But I know they all those ones they take a lesson a normal cruise. You hear me so? Because when don't need it, I could be there for. Yes. As you did so now, me and you never quarry. I know they call your platform.
Okay,
man, I say not can I con there, cause you're picking a call.
You don't tell me when I never tell you back. You don't tell me I don't.
You don't see no count. You don't count for where I did. The most important thing the most important thing I want beg you now. Which one beg you and your wife? More no they post the people picture first. More family peace. Because the more they post the picture, we're going to give the hungry again. The hungry go to raise up. More don't
take here. The only one I beg you.
Injury for one, injury for everybody.
The only one I go take here, this evening, we see so Oscar live video. I don't come out to
beg. Now Monday, you don't come this evening now Monday. Now Monday, don't come this evening now Monday.
You go make Oscar sleep till your Monday.
No, cannot go sleep. You don't do no, cannot worry. Go, you gonna see very soon. No go sleep. Mona relax. Mona your lock up. Leave her.
Yeah, I'm gonna see now.
Now see Oscar very soon. Mona rest.
If you come out this evening, I will see day happy. I will see day happy. I swear.
Mona relax. Mona relax.
I will day happy. I swear.
I don't like Oscar. I don't like Oscar. If I don't like Oscar, wait. If I don't like Oscar, your man tells you go they talk about this matter.
Oscar, they okay. Mona relax. Our nigga, they okay.
No, my guy. If people want to set her off, I say let them know.
They okay. They okay, 100% okay.
No, I thought great. Thank you so much for your information. Everywhere good.
I saw that.
Okay, I want the conversation because I want to go knock one out boy. I want to go knock out boy with you no good. And they call. Today I want to get a small problem with one out boy.
I agree to for comment.
Okay, okay. If you wait for nothing tomorrow, you not see Oscar, you'll start your saga again. Please give them that tomorrow morning, you'll see Oscar.
I see the respect in your game with your wife because you don't give that comment for me. A wife comes there request, say me come meet me. I respect that family. Now my family be there, I respect them.
If you not see Oscar, nothing tomorrow morning, we'll cause riot for this TikTok. We'll realize the case again. What happened?
At this moment, now Oscar be like very dark man. You be a very dark man. You go come out.
We'll rewind the case when it happen again. Because not be Oscar, na saga you. Not be Oscar tell them waiting as me there. So na Tompolo and Felicity na drag me come TikTok. I never leave them for my waist till today. Join the organize when it's affair. So you go people when start on a saga, now you go meet. You not go meet people when pull mat for the saga. Because people when put
This
mouth
one
for the
that
saga,
arrest,
they don't know you.
this one that arrest Oscar.
That's
When
their
the message
life.
arrest Lucky Nice. Maybe I
If you
think
want
they
problem
the
with
judge.
people, you want to get problem with people, you'll get problem with people when drag you come out for TikTok. Now you know if you
But
forgive
wait,
for your life.
child of grace, no verse. If I know I won't ask one question because if I know at this moment, I will talk my truth. This help page with your husband. The fact carry this matter give Lucky Nice. When Oscar they give the Wortoworto, they carry the matter give Lucky Nice. Why they can't arrest Oscar finish? They can't carry the matter give you. If I know now Lucky Nice be these people clients. Them and Lucky Nice the five. No, now when I call your live video, I will explain give you. Now maybe now they go understand. Yes, now they go understand because these people now want team your head together with Lucky Nice won't be animal. Lucky Nice won't be normal man. Obey when the jealous person.
Useless Lucky Nice. No good killer.
Now
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can't matter give. Now you back this head page with your husband. Go read juju. Why you call this now when they arrest Oscar? They can't carry the head page. If I know, I see why some people they come out for you for no reason. Yes. They will carry matter give your enemy.
Now they join them. Godfather saga no bros no gear. Godfather saga man. Hey.
They will carry matter give your enemy finish. Last they will break the when they see say they don't get justice for them, they will come carry a push car and call your side. If I know I bet all live video, Baba. I still respect you as a father. Baba, you go on live video. I go
They
come.
go free no. They go, see
Yes.
we be
Okay,
Afghans.
you go help a page there for this matter. I don't
We
believe
they
you
go
go help
free
them finish.
Oscar. We not Afghans of those
Okay,
states.
nice.
We
Let's
be
go help them
mixed
finish.
Now we get those states. They must free Oscar because Oscar na did not be Benin Abi. Because
What
not be
you
Benin.
want?
Not be tribal war with the do, but because Oscar not be Benin.
That war. Oscar na data.
Not be that because Oscar not be Benin now.
No, if that Benin person, I feel arrest her for that
More
Benin.
than that. I know what I tell you now. We not do tribal war here. That because Oscar not be Benin now.
God bless you, child of grace, for that word. God bless you for that word. Yes, because it not be
Oh,
Benin.
the other states, Oscar na citizen of Benin. Now they for born now. He's a citizen. He's a citizen. He was born and raised up in Benin. Not have another home. Now there be first home. Now there you know. He's a citizen of that place. What are you saying?
Who bring the matter come and no arrest her? Family call juju. I know their house. See why their house na no
Let me
know.
see why mama ask me. Okay, I page they fear to go carry see why. Make them for not see why I'll go beat a page for his shop, Abi. See why I'll come beat you. No one go carry see why mama. Go carry see why mama now.
See why?
Not be see why drag
See
you
why?
talk.
The fight where they go through battle. The time don't see why.
My phone are live. Now go see black. They talk to you.
I know say my
Yeah,
son
people.
touch you. But
I don't
touch
see
you
chance
very
to talk since yesterday. No, cannot see chance talk. Cannot see panel enter. They just the judge of the one kill the boy. They judge against the boy. I don't see. I just come there tired since yesterday. I don't see where I want. Which is Oscar. Oscar now rise. As you come back, so get your number 6. Now she say you don't know anybody for this house.
I see why you better do because this matter. See why the time you take the throw bottle. Don't go find this head page.
People when they fight for you since yesterday. People when they fight for you, they not even they do TikTok. I swear, people when they fight for Oscar now, they know they do TikTok. They know they do saga every time, but they wash you. But the people when they follow you, they do saga.
If you're your husband this Oscar today, I go free you now. And I go appreciate you now.
I feel that tomorrow morning, bros. Tomorrow morning, we'll riot, we'll bring back a page, matter come back. Leave the night tomorrow morning, Oscar, no? If Oscar cannot do live video this evening, may do live video tomorrow morning, saga will go, war. Oscar, so, okay, you go start the matter again as it starts. So, analyze.
Oh, bros, Nokia, if they not release them before 12, they not feel release them again. No, today na Friday. Till Monday, time don't go.
Nobody they go leave her today. They not leave her today. Tomorrow morning, more wait.
No, time don't go. They not fit to. Today na Friday.
I say when I wait this night. Leave her this night.
If they never release and since they not feel release them.
Time today. No, 4 o'clock for Nigeria.
6 to 6. Once it's 6 this evening, they don't release.
I don't even know say you go feel fight for Oscar after all the old saga.
No worry, Oscar don't come out when arrest the Oscar. Who not Oscar for prison? Who feel prison?
You know me. You know me. I know the right intimidation. Oscar.
I don't dey okay.
Fuck me. Now they look at my junior one. If I want catch
Oh,
meat,
but
I
the
will catch
father
meat.
not rich. Now tell me, I tell you.
word. I don't understand.
Finish.
Oscar don't get issue. The fact be say Oscar don't get issue with these people. Oscar me now they saga me, they call me Barry for this TikTok. But people when call me Barry now, people when me they attack now, people when me no rich as. People want
Na
know
person
rich
wey
as
pay
don't
them.
eat with.
Na person wey
People
pay
yes.
the person wey call you Barry. Na you dey
Yes.
attack.
Like anybody when me see for TikTok now, when me see for fake account, when me don't know before when they call me Barry, I they block them. They block them. They bully me. They call me Barry. They never fuck me before. They block people who I don't know before when they curse me. But you see the people who I know for real life, who I don't eat for real life, I can never forgive them.
Something years, I be 30 years. They call you Barry. Miss God will be 40 something. Why they never call her Barry? I beg you.
I can never forgive those people when they don't eat together when they call me Barry. I can never forgive them. But you see people who I don't know for TikTok when they call me Barry, I don't owe the explanation. I don't owe them. I block them. I don't owe them. I can curse them and leave them. I don't owe them anything. But you see those when they don't shop for real. I get business with them.
I was thinking for my church man, you're supposed to make this boy to respect. This boy, even if you
but
come
this
out
one now
today,
go treat all these people. It might tell you Nigeria is a very lawless country, eh? All these people wey dey Nigeria, both Godfather and the rest, wey fit say they safe. Godfather tongue go still reach. In the laugh Oscar now, I say yesterday.
Godfather, when you dey talk, wetin bab Godfather dread? No be this thing. Yeah, but we hide them. We hear everything. We see everything.
Yeah, all of them wey dey Nigeria supposed to
na
come
police
out.
bam. Na police carry
tomorrow morning you see Oscar here. Relax, leave them.
Make they make the noise.
Mona relax. Oscar go come out.
I no go dey reach police station again.
Respect it by no girls to free this boy. Free this boy. Me and you no get issue. Free this boy. Me and you no.
Oscar go come your son. I will see Oscar Nati tomorrow morning.
Child of cases, they never release us.
I get 100%. I get 100%. I get 100% sure.
4 million. Me not care. I sold my life. I'll tell you.
Wait, how much they charge them for bail? How much they charge them?
I'm not supposed to talk anything for yet. Oscar come out. Oscar, no care. You relax. Oscar.
No care. How much they say me pay?
The IPO yesterday, when person call am, the person call they with me for the other phone. They can't follow the IPO talk. The IPO say the people when arrest Oscar say make him pay 8 million naira for damages. One on one say
damages. Damage.
May nobody say we dey lie. May nobody say we dey lie. No be say 8 million.
Oscar na citizen of Edo State. Na 8
million. Wetin Oscar damage? He spoil their business. I been away for them.
No, he tell them say their fucking wife. Now be the damages. Your guy
for Benin. Na Benin dey for born Oscar. Na Benin blood dey take bath for me.
You see this thing where this FN husband do now.
Benin blood
that's where for that Ilala that time. I been a
Benin boy.
We go follow am because the native doctor tell am say make they no do anything.
God bless you. God bless you.
That's where he go follow him and him family.
Okay. He say
because the native doctor don't want am say make he no do anything. Na so person take dey carry sweat dey enter house.
Reminder say pa. This matter call your shrine when you tell them say you don't settle anybody yes, this man, this Ipa make the statement say if this matter passes shrine, make them call him. I beg if you don't say you know that native doctor, I just go beg you. Make we get this justice for Oscar. Oscar finish saga us tomorrow. Now our junior brother. We will get this justice. We will still call that Ipa. I beg if you don't say get that.
Bros, no, I don't wait more Oscar come. Oscar will come join you.
Sugar, mommy. Sugar.
Good evening, sir.
Wait till I do you, mommy. Long time.
I don't call Oscar. I don't call my baby.